This is the elevator at the Celebration Apartments at the river's edge of Oakmont in Oakmont, Pennsylvania. Schindler 338 with premium hall stations. It's one of the building Celebration Apartments. There's two buildings, each with one elevator. One's from 2015, one's from 2018, but I don't know which one is which yet. Up to 4. Smells like cleaning supplies in here. Here we go. Very creaky 338 here at 4. Kind of loud and vibrating too. More vibrating. There's a kitchen communal area, go back down to 1. Stroke only works as near Schindler's. A phone. It's a basic cab. Basic Schindler 338 cab. One's sure if these should be 32 or 338s, but they're both buildings have 338s. Here, 1. How close enough it's going to be.